Hello and welcome. Today, I'm going to be giving you a tutorial about how to create assignments in Canvas that include a file submission, quizzes, and rubrics. So the first thing you want to do is click on Assignments in your course navigation area, and then you want to click on the blue Add Assignment button. Give your assignment a name and a description. Determine how many points you would like for your assignment to be worth. Choose an assignment group. Choose how you would like the grade to be displayed, and choose your submission type. If you would like for students to be able to submit a Word document or some sort of a file, then make sure that you click File Uploads. Choose who you are going to assign this assignment to, give it a due date, an available from date, and an available until date. Once you've done those things, click Save. Click on the plus rubric button to add a rubric to this assignment. Click on Use this rubric for assignment grading, and I'm going to click on the Find a Rubric hyperlink in the upper right-hand corner because I already have a rubric designed to be used for this project. I have one rubric created, and that is the reflection rubric. So I will go ahead and click on the blue hyperlink, which will attach the rubric to the assignment, and then click Publish. Lastly, we're going to create a quiz within the system. So you want to click on Quizzes, and then you're going to click the blue plus quiz button. You're first going to fill out the Details tab. So you want to give your quiz a name and also give the quiz instructions in the HTML editor. Scroll down through the page to choose your other options to go along with the quiz, such as the quiz type, how long you would like the students to be able to have to take the quiz, and if you want them to be able to see answers after the quiz, and so on. You'll also be able to give the dates the quiz is available and such. Now you'll go back up and click on the Questions tab. Once you do that, click on Add New Question. You'll want to number your question, choose what type of question you would like for your question to be, and decide how many points your question will be worth. Enter your question and then choose Update Question at the bottom of your screen. Add all of your questions in and then click the blue Save button. Click Unpublished and it will turn to a green Published. I hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.